Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to update your delivery preferences on the Target app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and update your delivery preferences on the Target app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Target app. Next, click on My Target on the bottom right-hand corner. Then click on the gear icon on the top right-hand corner. Then click on Addresses. And then here's where you can either add a new address or enter your delivery preferences by adding instructions. So if we click on Add next to Delivery Instructions, you can see here that we can add a callbacks, security code, or building name, and also enter the drop-off location and property type. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and update delivery preferences on the Target app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.